Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Pisces, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Pisces, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading, Pisces. Before that, we will start with these cards. We have 3 of stars in reverse, cardinal of stars in reverse, and 2 of stars. So Pisces, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in this relationship. So you are really working hard, guys, today in your life, trying to find that balance in your situation. So it may be your circumstance in work. So you are trying to be really flexible, adapt between the changes and working hard today, doing your best today for your situation, and you are you are maybe in some things you have a lot of misunderstandings. There are some doubts, confusions, because you do not understand the way things are really in front of you. And maybe for some of you, in this relationship, in this love with this person, you like them, you love them a lot, but you feel that you cannot rely on this person. There is something missing in this relationship and you are quite confused. You feel lost sometimes when you are with them. The way they are, the words they speak may give you some kind of misunderstandings, and maybe you want commitment. You love them and you want to be committed to this person, and you are someone who really trusts anyone easily. You rely on others and you trust anyone so easily, but this person is not so. They need time, maybe. So that is the reason they are not having that openness with you, and you want commitment and marriage, but this person is running away from you if they hear the word commitment, guys. So some kind of misunderstandings are there in your situation because of that. And maybe for some of you, there may be unexpected changes happening in this relationship, guys. Maybe all of a sudden they are coming towards you, maybe surprising you with a proposal or with some changes. Maybe they would have told you that they are not interested, but all of you, they are calling you up. They want to meet you, they want to be with you. So some kind of unexpected changes are happening in your relationship or in your life. It may be in your work situation also, guys. So some changes may take place, some positive changes, and that changes are the rewards for your efforts, guys. So that is what I see. And maybe for some of you, if you were in separation, so this person is going to come back and for reconciliation, guys. Maybe they have realized their mistakes or they have realized your worth and they are coming back to you. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have the completed world in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, in your relationship, you have some kind of something is holding on, maybe some confusion, maybe this is the time for you to wait, maybe this is not the time for some important decisions, and you should not get into some deeper commitment. So you need to wait, because today whatever plans you do or whatever you step into, it may not work out well for you guys, Pisces, in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Nine of Suns. So with this card in your work situation, guys, you are someone who is really dedicated, but your skills and talents, however you work hard, are not giving you the expected results. So maybe you feel really frustrated today, guys. Some kind of stress is there in your in your work situation, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all, guys, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have the juniper tree. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, maybe you are feeling extremely guilty or responsible for certain things. Maybe it has happened in your life or certain circumstances that has unfolded in someone close to you. So, and you feel really guilty because you feel that you are the one responsible for those circumstances or the way things went. But in truth, you need not feel sad and stressed because it is not your making and this is not your fault. And you need to understand that you are someone with a good heart. That is the reason you feel sadness for someone else, troubles or worries, guys. And you need to understand that you should not lose hope and keep doing the right things you are doing right now and being really compassionate. And you are someone really compassionate. That is what I see, guys. And this sadness or stress, whatever it is the making of someone, some kind of person. It may be a third party involved in your situation, in this relationship. So you are doing the right things, but you are taking the responsibilities for all the faults or mistakes that have happened. And this is the time for us to stop the blame game and shift our attention. So we need to be compassionate. We should not be impulsive. And when we are that way, we are going to get a second chance at our life, second chance in this relationship or in that particular circumstance, whatever has unfolded and whatever is stressing you today. And you need to understand that the truth in your situation will reveal itself, because we cannot hide truth for a long time, guys, whether it is our mistake or someone else's mistake. We can never hide truth, never bury truth. So that is the energy with this card. And we should not act out of our anger or resentments. We should always be kind and compassionate and be patient. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. We have new life. So the appearance of this card in a reading just means that this is a very auspicious time for you in your relationship or any kind of partnerships you have taken up in your life. So it may mean even your business collaborations or a beautiful beginning in this relationship. So if you are already in a connection with someone you love, you are going to see positive transformation in this connection. You are going to experience more intimacy, harmony and vibrancy in this relationship, and you are going to feel a much more deeper connection with this person you love. And if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, this is the time for a new beginning coming up in your life, guys. So you are going to find someone new, and that relationship is going to be so fulfilling, filled with harmony, balance and sweetness of that togetherness, intimacy and that blessed understanding you both have with each other. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, it is a new beginning you are seeing in your life today. Maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation, whatever it is a very auspicious card, guys, and it denotes a new beginning and a new life. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If you like this reading, please like and comment, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.